Hi guys, man, you beautiful people. It's your friend, not your boyfriend. Kyle, aka Kyle Kamala, and I'm back with another video. If it's your first time here, make sure you like and subscribe and notify every time I drop. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, guys, you see, got a fresh haircut. You know, I had to cut my hair off because it was a mess. So I had to cut it off, but I'm waiting for it to grow back. I have a lot of stuff on my mind. Okay, guys, so I think I'm gonna borrow my brother, and when he comes in, I'm just gonna slap him. I'm gonna slap him. Okay, guys, so this might get wrong. So here's the baby powder. So I'm not drinking all, it's in my hand. Kylan! I might cut the video early because this boy can Kom, eu vou itse kom hoor. Kom hoor, eu vou itse. Wat sê?
You can see, boy. You can see, boy.
I got his ass. If it's your first time, you make sure you like it.
You can see. You can see. You can see, boy. Yeah.
Look at that nigga. Ah. See, guys, that's why I don't like pranking his ass. Just got wet. Oh. I'm gonna change. If it's your first time here, make sure you like and subscribe. Notify every time I drop. Without further ado. Bye, guys. Guys, I'm not gonna end my video, but you guys have to support my stream. Now I have to clean this fucking mess. Sorry. Now I have to clean this mess up. See, guys, pranking people is not nice, man. You can prank someone, come with a gun, shoot you in your head, man. Pranking people. I ain't nah, dog. You ain't nah. I can't wait for the school to open so I can be free, you know. But if I come home, then I have to do chores again, and all that stuff. Yo, like guys, you know, if I have money, man, one day if I have money, you know, there's other place called the Blight. I don't think can you buy it or you know, but you can rent it. I'm sure. I wanna go live there, bruh. I wanna take all my boys out of the hood, give my mother some money, you know. I have to do all that shit. So yeah, guys, this is all, man, and I'm so sorry, and cause these days I don't come up with videos, so and I know I have been it was long. I uploaded the channel, so still have to work on that, and I have to sleep, bruh. Ja, as my oë, my gesig, jy kan merke nie. Look, sleep that ass with the baby powder. Yeah, guys, that is it. Kawakama out.